She gave you a five, didn't she?
Got me right in the face. It's perfect.
Hi. No.
He's like licking my ear.
Oh my God.
I hope not.
Whoa!
That's what he did the other day.
Come on, baby. I love you, but I'm getting out of here.
Oh my God.
I can't. It'll figure it out on its own. Wait, okay, you ready? Of course. Hi.
I owed him up.
What are you doing?
My hair.
Come on, kid, gonna do it again. Do it again.
Seriously? Is that how we're doing things now? You can't wait for me just to open the bag and give you some?
Can you go sideways too? Oh goodness, it's going fast. Oh, he's trying to eat it. Boop, boop. 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 Boop.
Ready?
Oh my gosh! Look at he's banging on the window.
That one didn't like us. It's bitter.
Here's something you don't see every day. You're almost there. Just go to the stairs. There you go. Close. Scooch over a little bit further. There we go.